Welcome to Colombia. Yeah, 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 yeah,
I hit the banana. I can't wait to see that video. You're gonna be like, good morning, family. Welcome back to my channel. We are in Santa Ynez, Colombia. Coffee farm tour. I'm gonna show you around. Please, like and follow. Gracias por tenernos. No, el que puede bajar se la baja en primera. No, solo, tiene que subir solo, no está caminando. O por acá arribita. Try to figure it out how we go down. Pretty we are going down. We are very worried about going back up with the rain. So stay tuned, please. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us, like the video. We're gonna have some beautiful, awesome videos coming up. Thank you. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Okay. Stay tuned for the second video. We're going to be in the back of that truck. It's going to be awesome, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in a few minutes. Next video. Welcome back. Good morning. We are going down right now. Thank you for follow us in the video. This is the second video. This is gonna be awesome. going downhill. Oh my God, this is good. Look at that, guys. Big cliff going down. It's gonna be a nice 360 video. It's very cool.
That would have been bad.
I hit the banana. You're gonna be like, here, guys. Oh, they couldn't make it. So we are here, guys. Please like the video. We are in Pereira, Colombia, and we bring those beautiful 360 for you. You can use the MetaQuest, the glasses. You can switch the camera up and down, and you can be here with me live. So for more experience, use the glasses, Insta 360. You can use MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3, or the regular Meta glasses to get this beautiful experience. Stay tuned. We're gonna go. We wanna get some more video for you guys. We'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. Florida Adventures 21. We are in the jungle. In a coffee jungle. Insta 360 for the better experience. You can use the glasses. MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3. And this is gonna be tough because I do have shorts. I don't recommend you guys to bring shorts, please. Bring jeans and boots. Don't be dumb like me. Coming with shorts, and we get scratched all over and mosquitoes. So bring the bug spray. But this is a coffee field, and I want you to have the Insta 360 experience, walking into the coffee farm. How they make the coffee right here in Colombia. You have to be careful with your eyes, so you have to bring some nice glasses protections. Long sleeves, don't be like me. I got shorts and short sleeves and tennis shoes. Okay. No, you just hit the guy that was watching the camera. Somebody inside in the MetaQuest are gonna be like, oh my God. Beautiful coffee. It's real hard to get into it. So let's try this out under. somebody's cutting the grass. Thank God it's gonna be opening over there. All right. We're still on the jungle, guys. Inside the coffee farm. Please follow, like the video, comments. Let me know if you've been here in Pereira, Colombia, in the coffee field. If you know anything about coffee, please let me know because I don't know anything about coffee. We're learning. And I got somebody in there cutting the trail. I don't know if you can see it. This is how they do it with cutting the trail. So we can do a little close up over here, the other side real quick. I'm coming! Buenas, ¿todo bien? Bien, bien, gracias. Gracias.
The banks are different than way over there where we were talking before, no? There's more leaves here. Over there we had a problem. Coffee has two pests that will attack. Okay? One of them is a fungi that's called roya, and that's what happened over there. The fungi will attack the leaves.
Watching, guys. Stay tuned.
And the other way is,
second video is going to be down below. We're also going to put a link below how to find this farm right here in Pereira, Colombia. It's a private tour. You have to call ahead of time. You have to make an appointment. But this is awesome. This is the owner, and it's a family farm. So we're having a great time. They receive us with drinks. They receive us with mangoes, all kinds of fruits, coffee, fresh coffee, and it was awesome. So I'm having a great time. Even though we are in the middle of the jungle, I know it's hard, but you know, we got some mosquito spray, etc. You know, so we're having a great time. Thank you so much for watching. Like and follow. Thank you guys. See you next video. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. We are here in Colombia. You guys know already. See the other videos about them below. We're gonna have a lot of videos, so I'm gonna show you everything around. That's the river down there. So we're gonna go through the river. So this is an Insta 360, like I said before. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe. For Adventures 21, we are in Colombia, Pereira. If you know Colombia, if you're from Pereira, I want you to make a comment. Si tú eres de Colombia y eres de aquí de Pereira, haz un comentario. Quiero saber si tú sabes del café, si sabes de los ríos. Estamos en una farm privado y vamos a entrar ahora al río. Síguenos. Quería recordarle que este es Intra 360, o sea, puedes ponerte los glasses, puedes mirar, puedes estar al lado mío si tienes el Intra 360, el MetaQuest 1, 2 and 3, y vas a disfrutar una experiencia mucho más mejor que ver el video regular. Pero puedes subir para los lados, subir para arriba, mirar hacia atrás, hacia mí, arriba, a los lados, donde tú deseas verlo, puedes verlo en el MetaQuest. Gracias, síguenos.
And this is where my dad takes his power. After he works almost in the garden, he comes down there and takes the fruit. And then a big fruit.
What do you guys think? We should take a shower in here? We're gonna do it.
He likes to do it.
Put a comment below if you want me to swim in here. Ready? It's gonna get wet your feet. You should go in here. Look up.
No, you cannot walk on that.
No?
Unless you like
Alright guys, I'm gonna be last just in case if you guys fall in the river. I want to save you guys.
you'll be
Be
fine.
careful, we have alligators,
Bring your
snakes.
foot down and wiggle the foot. Do like this. Do like this way. That's what I did. Here. Get that nose. I put my foot down and do that to make sure you got grip. You don't want to step on anything slippery. Be careful, I went with it.
Thank you. Want to see the trucks coming in the video.
We're gonna have to catch you.
Your family, we got wild ducks coming swimming. You got your Insta 360 put it on and watch this beautiful scene. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a beautiful experience. You should do it. I'm going to put the link below. It's a private farm, like I said before. For a better experience, use the Insta 360. MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3. It looks like the Amazons, similar, but we are in Pereira, Colombia, in a private farm. If you are new into our channel, please subscribe and you can see these 360 videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Gonna get a close up on these beautiful flowers. Working on the farm every day.
70 something. No, he's 80. Oh, 80 something?
Oh, that's the duck? You see that? They got the duck food?
Llevan primero como 15 y esos 15 quedaron 3. Y esos llegaron hace como 2 años o 3. Y los otros 6, para completar los 9, llegaron a finales del año pasado. Y en estos 6 meses se han perdido 3.
Oh my God.
That's called caña agria. Caña agria, like
Sour cane?
like sour cane.
Wow.
Well, that's the literal translation.
Beautiful flower.
That's the most I got. No, that's coast.
It's a coastal city.
Coastal city. It's on the coast.
It has a lot.
Sea and a big mountain.
It's a butterfly?
Huge, yeah, look at that bird.
Wow, I wish I can see it.
It's over there. It's on the, look. You can get, if you go through here, you can see its wings right there, hanging.
Where?
So,
Oh, I see,
eye
I see, I see, I see, I see.
yeah. It looks like an owl.
It's like an owl.
Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be an owl.
Wow,
Wings like an owl.
it's a beautiful butterfly. Huge.
Probably.
Those are the monarchs.
Yeah, I saw Mars.
And this is the milkweed.
Yep. You get lots of milkweed at our house. There's a milkweed.
When they call it, they're not going wild milk because they're cutting
Monarch.
everything. So the population of monarchs have
Grab this one up. Yeah, the flat. They do the wiggle. Yeah, lizards are from on top of the ground. Geckos are on the wall.
So this is the Airbnb?
Yeah.
Yes. This is the Airbnb.
Nice. So I'm gonna put the link below with the Airbnb?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys want to enjoy a beautiful scene early in the morning with birds, butterflies, flowers, and a lot of nature. This is the place. I'm going to put the link below.
you have access to everything.
You have access to everything like she said, and then we're going to be open the door, and then you're going to see these beautiful scenes. Butterflies, nature, the river, peaceful, and the contact with the earth. Show you around, one bedroom for 2 people, one queen, bathroom, kitchen, and another room. There you go. This is beautiful. If you like this video, please like, follow us to see all the videos. We're gonna have maybe 20 videos. Instant 360, I want to remind you that you can move the camera around anywhere you want. If you're watching from the cell phone, you can go up and down. Or if you use the MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3, you're going to have a better experience because you're going to be in here next to me seeing this beautiful, beautiful scene. Thank you for watching, guys. To the next video. Welcome back, family. This is the next video. I want to show you this beautiful, beautiful scene. Put your glasses, MetaQuest, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this beautiful scene, put a comment, like the video. That gonna help us a bunch. We can come back to these places and record these beautiful videos for you guys. 360 MetaQuest. Just follow us. We're going to be going to the waterfall. Thank you for watching. We are Florida Adventures 21. Please like and follow. We're going to be going down to the waterfall. For a better experience, you can swipe the camera left, right, up and down. Put your MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3, or your Meta sunglasses, or your regular glasses, Meta, and then we have a better experience. You're going to be here with me. Follow me. Thank you. Wait for you to put your glasses on if you don't have it. This is an Insta360. This is a beautiful video. And this is something you didn't see before. This is a private tour in Colombia. And then I'm waiting for you to put your glasses, MetaQuest 1, 2, and 3, and enjoy this beautiful waterfall. Follow me. Wow, what a beautiful scene. Look at this waterfall. If you like this video, please like and follow. It's amazing. I'm going to put a link below so you can book your private tour with the owner. A family-friendly farm. These beautiful flowers. Now we're gonna get into the waterfall. guys. Enjoy. How you like the waterfall? Please put a comment below or turn around the camera and say Insta 360. Enjoy this beautiful waterfall from Pereira, Colombia. Thank you for watching. We are right inside of the waterfall. Guys, this beautiful waterfall. We're gonna have so much beautiful video for you. Please like and subscribe. Share this beautiful video. We are in Pereira, Colombia. And this is Meta Quest 1, 2, and 3.